you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Mother Earth Wrap Club and the manifestation box for April. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the April 2023 manifestation box and Mother Earth Wrap Club just arrived. These were both sent to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me both of your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, I really love this box. I love what it represents. I love all of the amazing jewelry that is just so beautiful. I literally wear them every single day. I just absolutely love this box. They were voted #1 for a reason. Let's go ahead and dive into the manifestation box first. Then we will go into the Mother Earth Wrap Club. With this one, you do get a bracelet, you get a healing crystal, you get a necklace, and you get what we're working with for that month, a practice to work with, and your astrology for the month. So this box is completely geared and customized for you. You choose your wrist size, the length of the necklace that you would prefer, and then you give them your zodiac sign. So then this box will be tailored just for you every single month. You can cancel whenever you would like, but this is the box that you would get, and it says manifest the life you want to live. Definitely. This is just all about just making you feel better, self-help, self-care, self-everything, just taking time to know you're worth everything that you're doing and to slow down a little bit. This box definitely helps you with so many different things, and you also get meditation cards. They give you 2. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what this month it brings. It says, take your time. What was I just saying? Take your time, and there's a little sloth on it with a coffee, and then there's a little leaf down there. I have to save this. This is just super cute. That is just so cute. Take your time. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so then now once we get inside, that's what it looks like. So let me go ahead and remove the stuff in here so we can go through the cards and the paperwork, and then I will show you the jewelry. So exciting. So then here are the 2 meditation cards. They give you 2, one for you to keep and one for you to gift if you would like, or you can just do whatever with the second one. That is a really pretty image. It says, if you do not like where you are, move. You are not a tree. Yes, if you don't like where you are, move. Do something different. Even the smallest change is definitely change. So you do have those. That is amazing. Now for what we are working with for this month, and we'll go over all of this right here. And it says, find your purpose in life and be true to it. So that is what we will be working with for this month. You can sit down and read all of that. And then what is so cool is you will have your astrology. Mine is Scorpio, so I get this whole paper right here that tells me all about my own astrology for this month. Oh, I do have a sticker. I wonder, did I ever get one like this before? I actually keep stickers like from companies and stuff, and I have them right here in my little book, and I don't recall seeing this one, so I'm gonna add this to my book over here. They also do have some really pretty all full color papers in here that goes over the different things that they do have. You can also purchase their items individually from their website. You don't have to have a subscription. You just save a whole lot of money by having the active subscription every month, but you can definitely shop their shop. They have bracelets, earrings, they have anklets, there's keychains, sun catchers, and all different types of bracelets, the wraps. They have sets grouped together. So definitely if you want to check them out. And I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you 20% off your first purchase. If it's from the store or the subscription box, your first box, you will save 20% off. So that is awesome. So now we've gone through all of the paperwork. Let's go ahead and start looking through the pieces for this month. Down in here will be the necklace. Let's see what, oh my goodness. Green spot jasper. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness gracious. That is a really nice size of the stone as well. It's a beautiful cut. That is just gorgeous. Let me get it off of this card. And then just so you know, if you're wondering, this one is silver. You don't get to choose which color you want the necklace to be, but generally they're mainly silver. Every now and then you might see a gold or a rose gold tone, but for the majority, everything is pretty much the silver. And again, you get to choose the length that you want your necklace to be. But oh my gosh, you guys, that is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. And then it's just so cool how you get to see like different parts of the stone in each one. You have different colors. It's just so beautiful. So I love these cards, and they always give you one of these cards. It's a great reference. It has a picture of it. So if you have any questions and you're like, what was this again? If you go back to your cards, you can pretty much match it up and see what it is and know what that crystal is used for, or what it, what it represents. So for this one, it says green spot jasper is a stone of balance and healing, and is also known as the supreme nurturer. It will center ground and stabilize your energies so that you'll remain unpretentious by the chaos that is happening in the world. So yeah, that is amazing, and it is so beautiful. And let's go ahead and put this on. There we go. Again, that is a great size. It's not too heavy, so it's not like it's going to be weighing you down. I don't really even feel it too much. I mean, it's a great size, so you do feel something, but at least it's not like feeling like it's weighing me down anyways. So there is the necklace for this month, and down inside of here will be the bracelet and the healing crystal. And you will have the cards in here as well. Oh my gosh. Green spot jasper is on here as well with lava. Yes, lava stone. So let me show you those first, and then I will show you the healing crystal. So for this one, it is the same green spot jasper, and then it also has the lava stone in it. So right on the top, you have the lava beads, and then you have all of those throughout the bottom. I love when she does that every now and then to give it just a little bit of a difference to break it up, but I also just love the simple all together. So I like having both designs. It's just every month, these are just absolutely breathtaking, and I just love to see what she creates every single month. They're just beautiful. So there's this one. Let me remove these two so we can, because I've been wearing those all day, so I can show you. Look at how gorgeous that is. And all of the different colors, you get all the different parts of the stone. That is just beautiful. That is gorgeous. And the healing crystal for this month is hematite. I think that's how you pronounce it. And for this one, it says hematite is an excellent grounding and balancing energy, as well as being a powerful aid to stimulate the mind. They enhance memory and evoke deep thought. They have a highly protective energy and are good to help women who lack courage. So it seems like this one and this stone is an amazing stone, and they work well together in giving you courage, giving you peace of mind, just making you feel better about yourself. I think that is great. So that now is everything for the manifestation box for April. You have your healing crystal, you have your bracelet and your necklace, plus your paperwork and your astrology with the meditation cards. All right, you guys, so that's everything for the manifestation box. Let's go ahead and dive into the Mother Earth Wrap Club. In this one, you do get the wrap bracelet, so it goes around several times. They're absolutely beautiful. And then you get one little small gift with it. It could be a healing crystal. It could be a little aromatherapy, a little roller ball. It could be a number of different things, but you do get a small little treat in here with the wrap bracelet. But you don't get the paper that you're working with for the month or the astrology. So it's basically for the wrap bracelet only, which are absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and see what's going to be in this. Ooh, there's like a bigger thing in here for the treat that I'm talking about. It's like a whole on book in here. So you do get your cards, and look at all those beautiful wraps, you guys. And look at this one. Look at that one. I think we have that exact one that came in another box, but you can still purchase them on their website. Look at this one with the moon on it. I believe I do have that one. And I even have a necklace that has the moonstone. And oh my gosh, I I just love these, you guys. I just love these. So let's see what this little treat is here. It says, let the adventure begin. So we have a whole little journal book, it looks like, for this month. There's the back of it. And when we open her up, it says, travel isn't always pretty. It isn't always comfortable. Sometimes it hurts. It even breaks your heart. But that's okay. The journey changes you. It should change you. It leaves marks on your memory, on your consciousness, on your heart, and on your body. You take something with you. Hopefully, you leave something good behind. So that's the first page of the book. Let's see. Is this a book or is this a journal? I'm trying to figure this one out. Let's see. We travel because distance and difference are the secret tonic for creativity. When we get home, home is still the same, but something inside our minds has changed, and that changes everything. So places I've been, you get a log where you've traveled, I guess. Okay, travel savings. Travel is not reward for working. It's education for living. Travel Q&A. So this is a cute little travel book. Trip overview, packing list. Trip overview, packing list. So you have a couple pages of those. My adventure. So you can literally write where you went, what you did on your traveling experiences. What you ate, your memories of it. Experiences abroad, people met abroad. My adventure story. So yeah, this is really neat. You can literally just keep track of your travels in this book right here. So there is the little treat item in addition to the wrap bracelet for this month. That is so cool. Down in here is going to be the wrap bracelet. And it is the green spot jasper as well. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. So this one has green spot jasper, and then I'm not sure how you say that word right about there, but that is what it says. On this one, then you have the whole entire bracelet is one of those crystals, and then you do have the little hanging ball. I'm not quite sure if the hanging ball is the word that I cannot pronounce, or if that one is the green spot jasper, but you do have both of them here, and this is just gorgeous. Look at all those different color combinations in there, and just see how nice and small and sparkly these are. I love the wrap bracelets so I love both of them. I love both of them, but the wrap bracelets are so pretty. They're just so sparkly, and I just really love them. They're just really, really pretty. I mean, like I said, I love them both. And that is what it looks like with both of them on together. You can stack them. You can wear them. You can wear them while you shower, while you yoga, while you do your normal daily activities, anything like that. They are made and constructed so well. They're very, very beautiful, but they hold up super, super well. So you don't have to worry about having them on you and you're doing anything. They'll just be with you all day. There's no problems. They're just going to be there with you. They're just going to be there with you guys. I absolutely love them. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. And we haven't really got anything, I don't believe, with these type of color greens, or especially with the black on top. So that's so neat. I just love seeing every single month the new ones that she comes up with. I don't know how in the world she does it. They're absolutely breathtaking. They're so gorgeous, and I just love them. So now that is everything that I have to show for the Mother Earth Wrap Club. All right, you guys. So now that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club and the manifestation box. Comment down below and let me know what you thought. What did you think of the different ones that they chose, like the crystal that they chose this month? Did you like the bracelet better? Did you like the wrap bracelet? Let me know your thoughts down below. If you want a little bit more information about this company, I will let you know right about now. Again, I do have my own code, SheCrafty, to save you that 20% off. This monthly subscription box is for everyone who wants to manifest living happy and was born of the desire to spread positivity and aid conscious living. You ready to manifest your dreams? If you do a month-to-month plan on the manifestation box, it's $39 month per month. If you do 3 months, it brings it down to $36. 6 months brings it down to $34, and a full 12-month prepaid plan will bring it down to $33 per month. That is an amazing deal. And again, they do have their online shop. You can get anything individually. If you want to know about the Mother Earth Wrap Club, that one, if you do month per month, it's $39. 3 months brings it down to $36. 6 months brings it down to $34, and a 12-month plan brings it down to $33. She also does donate and she gives back. She even has a thing on her website showing you where she donates, where she gives back, and all of that. And I absolutely love that. And I always tell you guys, whenever a company donates and gives back, whenever we're shopping through that company, we are also helping to donate and to give back, and we're all helping each other, and I absolutely love that. So shopping with them, you will be helping to donate to her special causes, and that is awesome. So again, everything will be linked down below if you'd like to go check out their boxes, their individual items. Anything you would like will be down below in the description box. So now that is everything for this video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.